हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम टू आईएफएस। अब जैसे कि आपको पता है हमारे चैनल के ऊपर हम हर रोज जो है एक नई सक्सेस स्टोरी के साथ आते हैं। और आपको ये भी पता है कि अभी जो है सीएसआर का रिजल्ट आया है, तो वैसे ही एक नए स्टूडेंट हमारे साथ यहाँ पर ज्वाइन हुए हैं जिन्होंने यहाँ पर सीएसआर नेट विद ह्यूज रैंक यहाँ पर क्वालिफाई किया है। सो वेलकम। थोड़ा सा आप बताइए अपने अचीवमेंट के बारे में।
I am Satyamurthy. I am from Karnataka.
ओके
I qualified CSIR NET December 2024 in my first attempt with All India rank 183 in Life Sciences.
ओके ओके, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन सत्यमूर्ति, पूरी आईएफएस की टीम से आपको एक बहुत बड़े बधाई। तो थोड़ा सा
Thank you, sir.
बताइए कि सीएसआर नेट देना या सीएसआर नेट के बारे में आपने कब सोचा, कब आपके दिमाग में आया कि सीएसआर नेट करके कोई एग्जाम होती है एंड ऑल।
Sir. Sir, after I completed my bachelor's in biotechnology subject, I joined to my MSc biotechnology. So there I I have an idea about pursuing an PhD or a research about this biotechnology, and my professors just suggested that you can give the exams like CSIR NET and DBT, which can provide fellowships to you. So I went on studying about the exam, what will be, how it will be, and the syllabus. So I in the in my MSc first sem, I completely got an idea about what is CSIR net and all, and I started
ओके
preparing for that from that. Sir.
ओके ओके, तो जब आपने डिसाइड किया कि आप सीएसआर नेट का एग्जाम देना है, तो सबसे पहले आपने कहाँ से शुरुआत की कि लाइक पहले बुक्स खोले या पहले सिलेबस देखा या किसी टीचर से, प्रोफेसर से, दोस्तों से बात की।
Sir. First of all, I went through the syllabus, sir. The syllabus was very vast, as CSR not is not at all easy exam.
यस
And started looking through YouTube for different coaching institutes like IFAS and all. I got a good idea and good teaching from this IFAS lectures. Like first of all, I saw a video of Kailash Chaudhary, sir,
यस सर
biochemistry
यस।
class, and I suddenly got grasp on that topic because sir's way of teaching is very good, sir. So I decided to take the online class or from IFS. Like that, I got the ideas.
ओके ओके ओके, तो स्ट्रैटेजी क्या थी आपकी प्रिपरेशन की, थोड़ा सा बताएंगे कि किस तरीके से आपने अपना शेड्यूल प्लान किया था।
Sir. As my college hours were from morning 8 a.m. to evening 6:30 p.m. So
ओके
I was not able to take live classes for this from the IFS. So I went through the recorded sessions. From evening 7 p.m. I started the classes and I went through the classes till the night 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. Sir. And first of all, IFS teaching gave me a good structure how to start and how to go through the subject and syllabus. So I started from single subjects or biochemistry, cell biology, and by bit I got complete on 75% grasp on this all this syllabus. And IFS gave me idea which is the best part to study and which will be the important topics to the exams. So I mostly concentrated on that subjects and that topics, which made me easier and faster to prepare.
ओके ओके ओके, बढ़िया। और अगर हम टॉपिक्स के बारे में बात करें तो टॉपिक्स के बारे में क्या कहना चाहोगे, कौन सा ऐसा टॉपिक था जो आपको काफी डिफिकल्ट जाता था, या आपने कोई टॉपिक ऐसा था जो बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया था एग्जाम के लिए, बिल्कुल ही छोड़ा था, या सारे टॉपिक्स आपने प्रिपेयर किए थे।
Sir, as there are the 13 chapters in CSIR net.
यस
First of all, I for basic units like biochemistry, cell biology, development biology, all I went through with all covered most of all 80% of each chapter, and some chapters like ecology and methods in biology I was not able to prepare as my MSc exams were overlapped on that schedule. So most of all, on 9 chapters I completed with 80% accuracy, and for part A general aptitude, I was a bit good in maths, so I completely studied general aptitude part, so it was bit easier than other parts for me, sir.
ओके ओके, तो आपकी एमएससी कब की है, एमएससी कब की आप पास आउट स्टूडेंट हो।
So no, sir, I am pursuing fourth sem of MSc, sir. Till now.
ओके, तो आपने फोर्थ सेम एमएससी करते करते जो है आपने जेआरएफ क्लियर किया है, बहुत बढ़िया। बहुत कम लोग
Sir.
कर पाते हैं ये चीज। तो टाइम कैसे मैनेज
Sir.
करते हैं, क्योंकि एमएससी में अपना एक एमएससी का ऑब्वियसली एक बर्डन होता है, वहां पर प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं, लेक्चर्स होते हैं, एग्जाम्स होते हैं, और उसके साथ सीएसआर नेट का प्रिपरेशन करना, कैसे टाइम मैनेज करते थे, थोड़ा सा बताएंगे।
Sir. As I said earlier, from morning 8 a.m. to I was traveling other town for my MSc university, sir.
ओके
From my city to other city, I was returning to home at the night at 6:30 evening 6:30 p.m., sir. Then I suddenly got freshed up and started preparing for this CSR classes and went to online classes, recorded lecturers from 7 p.m. and continuously there three for each class was 3 hours, and I started and till night 12 a.m. one day 12 p.m. 1 a.m. So it was very heavier and burden, but I likely to manage because I committed that I would qualify this exam, sir.
ओके ओके, बहुत अच्छा लगा सुन के। जो भी स्टूडेंट्स इस इंटरव्यू को सुन रहे होंगे, ऑब्वियसली एक मोटिवेटिंग कहानी है इनकी। एमएससी के साथ इतनी अच्छी एक रैंक पाना, वो भी जेआरएफ की, बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है। ओके, तो थोड़ा सा मैं आपको बाकी की चीजें पूछूं, जैसे कि रेफरेंस बुक वगैरह आपने पढ़े थे, डिड यू फॉलो एनी रेफरेंस बुक्स और यू आर फुल्ली डिपेंडेंट ऑन योर नोट्स एंड आईएफएस नोट्स?
Sir. Along with my notes, I purchased IFAS complete package for CSIR notes. There were 14 books,
Okay.
and I kept these books as reference. And these books are very precise explanations and very good way of understanding the topics. Along with my notes of these classes, and I referred these IFAS notes and some standard books like Leninger and Gilbert Biotechnology also helped me a lot for top level preparation. And like this I maintained both and balanced both the notes and the reference books and went through my preparation, sir.
ओके ओके ओके। और जब आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे, ये सारी चीजें आप जब फॉलो कर रहे थे, ओके, तो आपको लगा था कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में इतनी अच्छी रैंक आ जाएगी?
Sir, I didn't thought of this first attempt, sir. As I was preparing in the first 2 months, it was very difficult, and the topics were a bit complex. So that I never thought that I will qualify in the first attempt. And but after 2 months, 3 months, I got some good grip because the way of teaching of the IFS professors was very good. So I got when I got getting the good grip of the subjects, I on 50 to 60% chance, I thought that maybe I will qualify. But after the complete attending the paper, I got an idea 70 to 80% that I may qualify because the question paper was a bit easier to me because I prepared all of the important topics which are related to the exams. So after the result, I qualified this exam.
ओके ओके ओके। और प्रिपरेशन के अलावा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस के लिए क्या क्या आपने, आई थिंक पीवाईक्यूज लगाए होंगे सीएसआर नेट के सारे,
हाँ
फिर
सर।
उसके अलावा गेट वगैरह के भी लगाए
हाँ
थे, या कुछ मॉक टेस्ट वगैरह भी फॉलो किए थे, आपने लिए थे?
Sir. After the completion of the syllabus, when the 30 days to 1 month left for that exam, I went through the PYQ part. I solved last 6 to 7 years PYQs, and after the solution, if I didn't know an answer for any question, I again searched for the answers, searched answer for that, and again prepared on the topic. And I gave 2 mock tests. That's also from IFAS Institute. I gave 2 mock tests. It gave me a good how to manage time and how to have these 3 hours with a good grip, and at all from this I got the grip, sir.
ओके ओके ओके। नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू अबाउट द एग्जाम डे। एग्जाम के दिन आपका क्या माइंडसेट था? यू आर पॉजिटिव, थोड़े से नर्वस थे आप जब एग्जाम को जा रहे थे? व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट?
As it was my first attempt, I was very nervous, sir. The exam was at morning and at 10 a.m. means I I visited the exam center on morning 7 a.m. only. I was waited and I was very nervous. But after looking the questions from the question paper, I got my nervousness completely exited because the questions were a bit easier, means understanding to me. And I thought I'm getting the idea that this I know this topic, I can solve this. So that after seeing the question paper, my nervousness completely eliminated, sir.
ओके ओके ओके। और एग्जाम अटेम्प्ट कैसे करना है, उसके रिलेटेड कुछ स्ट्रेटेजी डिसाइड की थी आपने? पार्ट ए पहले करेंगे, पार्ट बी बाद में, या बी पहले सी पहले? एनीथिंग यू हैव डिसाइडेड?
Sir, as I was having good grip on mathematics subject from my PU on school days, I went to the general aptitude part, and for 30 minutes I went for general aptitude, and I was able to answer 13 correct questions out of 15. And I left. Next, I jumped to part C, sir, and then I saw tried went on for 1 hour or 1.5 hour, and I then shifted to part B, so that it will be a theoretical part. And after completing this part B and part 2 questions from part A, I was completely confident that my part A will be correct. and then finally I came to part C and solved the remaining questions, and I got extra, means half an hour was remaining after I attended all the questions, so I rechecked my answers, which will be right, or should I change any answers. And then after the last 5 minutes left, I was completely a little bit confident also that maybe I could select, because I answered most of all the correct questions, like that, sir.
ओके ओके, मतलब आप जब एग्जाम हॉल से बाहर आए, यू आर प्रीटी कॉन्फिडेंट कि एक अच्छा एग्जाम गया है, मे बी आपका क्वालिफाई हो सकता है.
Yes, sir. Most of all, 80% I was confident, sir.
ओके ओके ओके, तो जब आपने मॉक टेस्ट या जो फुल लेंथ टेस्ट दिए थे, तब भी आपने टाइम लगा कर ही टेस्ट दिए थे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था?
Yes, sir. Because as it was my first attempt, didn't know any how to attend computer-based test. So I took my mock test very serious. Yeah, without touching any books or without any notes, I attended my mock test. And as in mock test also, I was not able to get good marks. So I was getting 95 to 100 out of 200. So my nervousness increased that, oh, it will be difficult, like that. But after completing this mock test and attending paper, it will be, the things were different, sir.
ओके ओके ओके, और मुझे बताइए थोड़ा सा, अगर प्रिपरेशन के जर्नी में मान लो कहीं ना कहीं बीच में आप डिमोटिवेट होते हैं, काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, तो आप भी कहीं ना कहीं
हाँ,
हुए
सर.
होंगे, तो क्या करते थे आप वैसे उस समय कि वापस से फील
Yes,
मोटिवेटेड
sir.
फील होने के लिए?
As in my preparation journey also, there were many obstacles, like due to late night sleeps and classes, I was getting very health issues and health problems, and for from that 2 weeks 3 weeks classes were not able to attend. I'm getting very demotivated, but that time my parents helped me a lot. They felt courage in me that you will qualify and you have to qualify, like. And so I take a short breaks. I went to some vacation 1 or 2 days to get fresh up and restart again. And when I restarted again and again, there will be, I got a good flow that I can and I will, like that, sir.
ओके ओके ओके, और मान लो अब आपको वापस से अटेम्प्ट देना है, रैंक अपनी इंप्रूव करनी है, तो कौन से आपको एरियाज लगते हैं कि आपके वीक है या उसके ऊपर आपको फोकस करना पड़ेगा?
Yes, sir. As I was not able to complete the syllabus completely, all the 13 chapters, this
ओके
made me a bit difficult. So that in methods and biology, applied biology, I will concentrate more on the remaining chapters. And after my part A and part B, part C was a bit tricky because some analytical questions were there. And I will concentrate on the remaining subjects like methods in biology, ecology, and some evolution chapters, so that I will definitely give my next attempt also, and I will definitely increase my rank
यस
this time.
यस यस, श्योर. नाउ यू गॉट सच अ गुड रैंक, सो व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर प्लान्स? आर यू गोइंग टू अप्लाई फॉर पीएचडी आफ्टर एमएससी?
Yes, sir. I thought of I thought already decided that to pursue PhD, and my research interest was in the area of bioinformatics and neuroscience. So I planned to do my PhD based on that research.
ओके ओके ओके, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. एक आखिरी सवाल जाते जाते मैं आपसे पूछूंगा कि मान लो कोई
हाँ,
नया
सर.
एस्पिरेंट आता है आपके पास और पूछता है कि उसको तैयारी करनी है, प्रिपरेशन करना है, थोड़ा सा टिप्स बताइए, तो क्या आप सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे उसे?
Sir. First of all, definitely I will say, sir, it is because of IFAS, and I would like to thank IFAS Institute for their books, good reference books, and the good classes, and also they made JRF Express videos on YouTube, which are
यस
completely free for the students. That also helped me a lot. I will first suggest that student that just go through the IFAS books and IFAS coaching classes in YouTube, and if you get good grip, take the 6 months course. It will help him a lot. I will definitely suggest the IFAS only, sir.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. जो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को, इस इंटरव्यू को, तो आप एक चीज समझ लीजिए, इन्होंने एमएससी करते करते जो है इतनी बहुत अच्छी रैंक जो है पाई है. तो ये जो नतीजा है, ये जो रिजल्ट होता है, वो होता है डिसिप्लिन का, हार्डवर्क का और कंसिस्टेंसी का. यस, तो जो भी बच्चे यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं, तो सिर्फ पढ़ना ये भी नहीं है, किस तरीके से पढ़ना, क्या चीजें करनी है, कितना टाइम किन चीजों को देना है, ये भी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, और इस वीडियो से जो है आप इन्हीं चीजों को सीख सकते हैं. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. Okay, so all the
Thank
best
you,
for
sir.
the future. Yes, and
Yes,
happy
sir.
learning.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.